If you have a regular shop vac like this to do all of your dust collection during your wood projects, and you have a tool like this that generates a lot of sawdust, you need to get yourself one of these. Ortis vacuum switch. This thing is pretty amazing. You plug your vacuum in this outlet and your tool in one of these outlets, and you set it to auto, and when you turn on your dust generating tool, the vacuum turns on as well. Let me show you how this thing works. Once you have all of your power cables plugged into the right receptacle, you put your vacuum in the vacuum port, and then you put your tool in the miter saw, table saw, sander, router, planer outlet. Then you switch it to auto, and all you do is when you turn on your power tool, it'll automatically start the vacuum. And one cool feature is that it actually stays on for a few seconds after you turn the power tool off to suck the remaining sawdust from the tool. Bonus, if you have one of these Craig dust separators, it'll extend the life of your filter inside your shop vac. I have not had to empty out this thing since I've had this separator for the past 5 years. I'll put a link in the description to this Craig dust separator, and of course the Ortis vacuum switch. Let me know in the comments if you have one of these, what you think of it. And if you have one of the Craig's dust separators, let me know what you think of this one. I'm pretty impressed so far with how well it separates the dust. Thanks for watching. See you all later.